So the truck is an 83 or mostly 1983 K5 Blazer or Jimmy, but I have no idea where this came from and when it was replaced. I have had the truck for 15 years, but again, I'm finding out new things every day. So what we are wanting to replace is this one here. This is a resistor between leg number 4 and number 10, and over time it degrades and needs to be replaced. So what I found is that this leg here, actually the number 4, we can see it starts here with the dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, actually is connected to leg number 10. See? So that's what I'm going to work between this leg over here and this one over here as it replaces the resistor. Now I'm going to use this potentiometer. I'm going to use this potentiometer instead, and this is a 1 mega ohm resistant, and what I'm going to do is connect this leg here and the middle one to this lead. But first I'll start by cutting this lead. You can see it goes all the way to here. No connection. Here we have connection. Here we don't. So that's a success. Next thing I want to do is to measure the resistance of this resistor. Okay, to do that I'm just going to touch the two ends of this original resistor, one here and one here. I can see that currently it is 1.122 mega ohm. Okay, I hope the resistor I brought, which is 1 mega ohm, would be enough here. Let's see what I'm starting with. Starting with 921 kilo ohm. Okay, let's see. Already much better. It's no longer at 45, 50, it's at 35. Keep in mind that the choke is probably on. how nice it works. Checking the resistance now after the calibration. $263 to 62 kilo ohm. So basically I could have used a smaller potentiometer.